In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your call to action CTAs in HubSpot. We'll walk through a simple, single-click path method. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video directly inside a CTA, either from your HubSpot file manager or from YouTube. This is especially useful if you want to boost engagement, explain an offer more clearly, or simply make your CTAs stand out visually. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the main navigation at the top and hover over or click on the marketing section. From that drop-down, select CTAs. This will take you to the area where all of your call to actions are created and managed. On the CTAs page, look for the Create button, usually near the top right, and choose CTA. This starts the process of building a new call to action. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose how you want to begin. You can either select a template or start from scratch. If you're just getting used to the tool, a template can save time and give you a layout that's already optimized. If you want total control over the look and feel, starting from scratch is a good option. Either way, once you've made your choice, you'll be taken into the CTA editor. Inside the editor, you'll see different tabs and modules you can add. Go to the Add tab if it's not already selected. From there, find the video module. This is the element that allows you to embed a video directly in your CTA. Click and drag the video module into your CTA layout, placing it where you want the video to appear. Take a moment to position it logically, for example, above or beside your main button or text, so the video helps guide the viewer toward the action you want them to take. Next, configure the video. Click Select Video if you want to use a file from your HubSpot files. This is ideal if you've already uploaded your marketing videos to HubSpot. If your video is hosted on YouTube, click Embed instead and paste in the YouTube link. Make sure the video is public or unlisted so it can be viewed without issues. Once your video is selected and you're happy with how it looks in the preview, click Save. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Your CTA with an embedded video is now ready to be used in your campaigns, emails, or landing pages.